Imagine yourself in this 2013 Nissan Altima. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine cover, front-wheel drive, battery saver, electric hydraulic speed-sensitive PWR-assisted rack and pinion steering, dual chrome-tipped exhaust finishers, 17 inches x 7.5 aluminum wheels, of-reducing glass, trunk lid trim, front bucket seats and 6-way PWR driver seat and 4-way manual passenger seat. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.